Good morning, Divyanka.
Good morning, teacher.
Very good morning to you. Good morning. See, Divyanka, here some pictures are given.
Yeah.
Okay? According to the picture, starting letter you have to write. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
And
Ant. What is the starting letter of ant? Letter?
A.
Very good. What is this?
Ball.
Ball. What is the starting letter of ball?
B. B. B.
Very good. Wow. What is this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Okay. What is the starting letter?
Banana.
Okay. It's only banana. Very good. Okay. What is the starting letter of monkey?
Mama.
Letter? Very good. Wow. What is this?
You.
What is this called?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very nice. What is the starting letter of that? What is the starting letter?
You.
U. Ah. Okay. Very good. And what is this? Kite. Do you like kites? Yes. Okay. What is the starting letter of kite? Very good. Very good.